Can you do iPhone cases? Yeah, of course. I'm going to show you the best way to target so you can sell more iPhone cases using Facebook ads. And I'll show you. Let's go. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to target so you can sell more iPhone cases. I'm going to show you the first way now. Go to Ads Manager. When you get to the ad set level, you want to click on Browse. Then you want to select Behaviors. Then you want to scroll down and select Mobile Device User Device Use Time. Then you want to select all of these options right here. As you can see, these are really big audiences. You want to select all of these options, all of them, yeah? And the reason why you want to select and target customers who are using their mobile devices a lot more often, so they're heavy users of their mobile devices, is because if they're using them all the time, that means they may require for them to be protected. So that means they'll need your iPhone cases. So I'm going to show you the second way to target. In the ad set level, you want to select Browse, then select Behaviors. Then you want to scroll down and select Mobile Device User. Then when you select that, you're going to be shown this, all mobile devices by brand. Then you want to click here. And then you want to select Apple. Once you've selected Apple, then you want to select the iPhone models that applies to your iPhone cases. Here you go.